Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Bjorn Barrett, and this one's dedicated to my Jeep CJ7 and other garage-ish projects. So, I've been rebuilding this Jeep for quite a while. Started in 2020 and took it right down. I did not film as if I was going to be YouTubing. I took a lot of photos during restorations. Every once in a while, I did a video update, and those have just been sitting in my account. So I figured kind of put this together and let you see, go with this experience through me during the summer when things are less snowy. It's currently snowy in Vermont. And my dog's having fun barking at the neighbors. Sorry about the noise. So yeah, Papa Smurf's kind of put away for the winter, but wanted to bring you along on the experience, go through the videos, and so enjoy. You'll see some older videos of me and some photos, and I'll try and narrate when I can. So I end most of my stuff with enjoy life. Bye. So, progress on the Jeep. Well, I got most of the stuff off the firewall. The steering column is finally out. That actually took a lot more work than I was expecting it to. What I wound up having to do is take a pry bar or take a screwdriver, pry out these little things, and then I just smashed the living out with a hammer, and I gave it like 2 or 3 days of PB blaster. So between the hammer and the PB blaster, I finally just pulled it out. Oddly enough, I actually had more problems with the wiring harness, especially the top one, which I've learned has 2 little knobs on each of this one. And this one did have 2. I see one. I think one broke off somewhere along the lines, but those were a pain because I could not get to it until I actually disconnected the column and pulled it out and was able to get to the top. Under it, I've got all the mounts, 1, 2, 3 disconnected. I took a jack and just kind of lifted up the side and put a block under there. But I missed one. Like there's 2 way in the back. But it looks like there's one right behind the back tire right here. Same on the other side. So I got to get those. Frame. Still looking okay. Looks like the mounts probably got a little bit more rust on them than I would like, but I still have to do it. Hey, my little dog Chloe. She loves hanging out and helping me. So there's my mounts off. Got another block under it. Again, I got another mount that I got to pull off right there. Should be close to pulling this out. I did learn that I probably have to pull the dash and disconnect the wire, the fuse box, so that I can pull this away. I think I have to pull that away. I'm still not exactly sure how this disconnects, but I will learn that. So, this is my CJ project, and signing off. Okay, so you just got to watch a video from 2020 that I recorded, just an update video. And these are just some photos from around that same time. I had the nice, gorgeous garnet seats, which I'm happy to have restored. The tailgate comes back into play at a later video. But as you can see, we're just kind of pulling this thing apart. There's a picture of my dad. He helped me out a lot. Very grateful to have him. You can see that the tub is even leaning here. It was bad. We took my four-wheeler and a trailer, put it on there, pulled it out. It was just my dad and I kind of lifted and huffed it. Worked out great. And there's it sat for a little while. And there's the ending picture with it all pulled apart. Hey, so if you're still watching, Red wants to say hi. Kudos. Means you really love CJs like I do. Thank you. Please subscribe. I am also on Instagram and TikTok with Papa Smurf VT. So, hey, enjoy life. Until the next video. Bye.